Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the Option Pit Trade Idea of the Week. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. Hey, we've got another Saturday class coming up. This time, maximizing profits with daily options. So we're not just going to look at weeklies now. Now that they've got SPX options trading almost every day, and they will have them every day. And I think you're going to see some of that in the equities soon. We want you guys to get out in front of that. We want you guys to learn how to trade dailies before they even go fully daily. We'll also maybe touch on binaries as well. Go to optionpit.com/dailies to get registered. Now, let's talk about the market. Here we are. We're down 31 handles, full 1.5%. The RUT down 1 3/4. NDX down 1 3/4. You can see all those beautiful FANG stocks are getting fanged in the FANG. They're getting pounded. They don't like them, right? There's some ugliness. You can see Amazon, Apple, Facebook's down, even Google. You can see Facebook and Google performing. Facebook down nicely, but Apple really a rough go. I mean, they had a tough iPhone 7 launch, and the market's down. You can see Fed talk spooking the market. That's what's moving the S&P lower. That's what's moving TLT a lot lower. That's what's moving long term, and that's what's pushing volatility. Look at UVXY up almost 3, up 17%. VXX up 8.5%. The VIX up 2.85%. So looks like it's going to make a run at 16. I think volatility is going to go higher. I think you're going to see the S&P lower for an extended period of time. Now look at these FANG stocks. I like, of them, Apple to move lower. I think the bull run in Apple is over. Volatility, if I pull up a chart, so I'm going to pull up my vol chart of Apple. You can see vol's still cheap. Not as cheap as it was, but still cheap, and historically, still cheap. Don't have my sweet live vol charts? Well, great. Pull up AAPL, and you'll see, yeah, still cheap. So I want to own, I think Apple's going lower, and I think the volatility is going up, and I want to own inexpensive premium. I can get the Apple. We'll look at the October 14s so that I can get some of these individual penny strikes. And I can get the 101 puts that have a month to expire. So that is on the 14th, October 14th. They have over a month to expire for only about 1% of the cost. So I'm going to put in a bid to buy the Apple October 14 101 puts for $1.49. I just think Apple, I rode Apple up. I'm going to ride Apple down now. I think it's going to go lower. And I'm going to sit here. I'm going to wait for my $1.49. If I see 150 start to trade, I'm going to go chase them. Starting to trade. All right, I'm gonna chase him. There. I paid $150 for a one lot. There she is. And now my goal, I think I'm going to be able to sell this between $2.50 and $3 by next week, probably on Tuesday. I think next week lines up with Monday lower and Tuesday lower before we probably get a relief rally Wednesday through Friday. Okay, folks, if you have questions, you can call me 888-TRADE-01 or you can email me mark@optionpit.com. Have a great day.